Now, I'm always finding holes in the structure. We find holes in the structure in most of the houses that we go to. And often we come across a suspended floor and it will have a hole going through to next door on the separating party wall, but in the suspended floor void. Sometimes those holes are around the joists where the joists go into the separating party wall. If you think how old your property is, how long have people been walking up and down on those wooden joists creating that movement, it's going to dislodge bricks. But sometimes there is holes that have been there when the property was built, ventilation holes, and a lot of people say, oh, you can't brick those holes up, you can't brick those holes up there for ventilation. Well, you can brick those holes up, and you don't need a party wall agreement, but you do need to let your neighbours know that you are bricking those holes up. Those holes need to be bricked up for fire, for noise and smell. Do you really want to smell what your neighbours are cooking? Do you really want to hear all your detailed conversation of your neighbours and smell what they're cooking and leave that fire risk in place? No, you brick that hole up, but you do need to make sure there is adequate ventilation on that suspended floor void. And you can do that by simply increasing the air bricks at the front and back of the property if possible, clearing out the suspended floor void so the air blows underneath the suspended floor void more easily, and you could use mechanical ventilation as well.